forgot to film. So just imagine me using this and making all the sawdust and making these square. Boom! Congrats on now have seeing that in your head. So this is called the old water pop. This you spray it with water. People do it different ways. I just spritz it down. Oop, that's not spritz. Oh, that's different. Uh-oh. There we go. Just a little bit of this. Get it kind of damp. And what this does is run out of water here. This will bring this is getting real damp. Bring the grain up out of the wood, because now you can feel it was really smooth on this side. On this side, real smooth. I mean, just almost smooth as glass. And then actually got my wet hand and put it there to flip it over, and I can feel the grain is already raised up. So what this does is it pulls the grain up. We have sanded from 80 grit to 120 to 180 to 220, 240, 220. So you do this, you let it kind of, I'm probably overdoing it right now, that's okay. Got other stuff to do while it dries. But you do this, and then you just sand it again at 220, and then after that, I typically go up to 400. Is that overkill? Probably, but it gives a real nice finish, and it just gets smooth as glass at 400. So what I'm going to do is let it sit here, absorb some of this water, let this grain pop a little bit more, dry it off, let it dry, and then I'm going to sand it down again at 220, and then sand it down at 440 or 400, whatever I have, and then it's oil bath time, and put on some feeties, wax her up, send her out. This one's actually got a home already. It's a Christmas present or something like that. Okay, did the water pop and then hit it with 220, and then went ahead and hit it with 400, which again, I mentioned earlier, might be a little overkill. Now we're gonna just blow it off real quick, throw everything away. So it's probably not a necessity, but it helps keep the oil in the oil bath a little bit cleaner. I already got some oil on it from when I took the lid off the oil, a little pink, so that's okay. So let's put it in here. I know a lot of people like seeing this. All right, this will be the last dip in this particular oil bath tank. Whoop! Ooh, man, yeah, that looks good. That's gonna look real good. God, I love that maple. So this is it out of the oil bath. I put feet on it on the bottom. I didn't film that because it's just, you drill some holes and you screw them in. But yeah, I like the way it turned out. I hope the customer, my coworker, likes it. I'm really digging the grain pattern there. Looks pretty cool. The Wenge actually surprises me, that yellow popping out, but I like it. Pretty purple, pretty red. Yeah,
So I hope you like watching this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, leave some comments, hit that bell if you want to see more videos when they're released, and we'll see you on the next one.